Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up multi-user access. MUAA, MUAA is what eBay calls it. This is what is controlled access within eBay. If you have employees, virtual assistants, this is how you want to be setting it up for them. So if you go into your eBay account, you want to come up to the top left and click on account settings. From here, under account preferences, you're going to click on permissions. I am not going to click on that for the sake of this video because it will show my virtual assistant's information. It's going to take you to a screen that looks similar to this. You're on account preferences, you're on permissions, and you're on authorized users. Now, before you get to this screen, you're going to have an add user button up here. You click on that and it's going to take you to this screen. I'm skipping this up because I don't want to show my virtual assistant's information, but then you can add their first name, their last name, and their email address that is associated with their eBay account. And from here, you can go ahead and click what you would like them to have access to do. And you can click one thing, you can click all the things, it doesn't matter. And then you click add the user. From there, they will get notification that they need to accept this. And there you go. If you guys liked this, YouTube thinks that you'd also like this video. I will link a playlist of eBay tutorials here. And then make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling on eBay.